What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with a review and a tutorial using some new products from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. And this is a new brand for me. I saw them on Instagram and I knew I had to place an order whenever this palette came out. The palette that they released, the Summer Vibes palette, screams summer. Like, it is legitimately #summer vibes. And I've seen their Halo highlighter, but I never have gotten a chance to get it in stock. They finally had that in stock as well, so I went ahead and picked that up. So let me go ahead and give you guys the background on both of these products, and then I'll go ahead and jump into the swatches and tutorial. So let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, the #summer vibes palette. Here's the packaging. Clean white packaging with a paint smear, and it says #summer vibes, and it says that it is a pressed pigment palette. It has 3.5 grams of product or 0.12 ounces of product. This palette retails for $54 and I ordered it directly from GiveMeGlowCosmetics.com. So here's the palette, very sleek white, and it says Give Me Glow #summer vibes yet again. There is a mirror here, and then here are the eyeshadows. So the organization of this palette is beautiful. This is the essence of summer in an eyeshadow palette. So it has all the fun pops of color, and then it has like your standard essential eyeshadows like the browns here. I like the formulation of this eyeshadow palette. The matte eyeshadows are traditional matte eyeshadows. The shimmer eyeshadows are very smooth and pigmented. So I applied a base underneath and I feel like I got really beautiful pigmentation. Everything blended out really nicely when I was using this palette. Like this color, watermelon, I anticipated that color giving me issues. It really didn't. It was very smoothly pigmented, and I love the look that I created. It's more dramatic than what I normally do on my channel. I wanted to give you something, you know what I mean? I felt very inspired when working with this palette because the colors in here are so fun. I mean, I love everything. I love each row. I love the different tones of orange that it has. I love these two colors. That Gumby green is a color that I don't have in my collection, so I feel like this is a very unique palette for my collection. There's a lot of palettes that are coming out with the oranges and the yellows, but to me this one just is a little bit different and it's more fun. And I like that it has a mix of matte eyeshadows as well as the shimmer eyeshadows. I mean, it's just so pretty. I love that. Here's their packaging for their highlighter. This is the Abstract Gold Collection highlighter. I got the shade Halo. These retail for $17.50. And on the back it says that it is vegan and cruelty free. So this is the packaging for the highlighter. Very sleek black packaging, and this time the script is in gold. On the back it says Halo. There's 8 grams of products or 0.25 ounces of product, and this is the highlighter here. It's that really pretty whitish gold highlighter, but it has a bit of like a bluish shift to it. I have it on now. I'm a sucker for white gold highlighters, and I absolutely had to have it when I saw it swatched. Swatches and applies really smooth, and it's very pigmented, so you do not need a lot at all. Plus it's very reflective, and I like that it's a little bit different than other white gold highlighters that I have in my collection. I will show you guys some comparisons that I have that I felt like were a little bit similar, but yet nothing really came close to the blue shift. I think it looks bomb on my cheeks. They've passed my test. I like everything, but I definitely will be doing more looks with these products coming soon. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into swatches of everything and let you guys see what everything looks like swatched out on my arm, no base. And then following that, I will show you guys a tutorial for the eye look that you guys see. Very dramatic eye look, and all the other details for everything else that's on my face is down in the description box, so check there if you are interested. Enjoy. have my eyes primed and prepped with a little bit of concealer. So now I'm going to go in with my transition color. The first color that I'm going to take is Peach Snowcone. This is a Wayne Goss number 17 brush. So I'm just going to take this right in my crease. So just back and forth to deposit the color. This is going to be a nice wash of peach. Now I'm going to go in with the color Orange Soda Pop, same brush, and I'm going to apply that color right here on the edge of the eye and blend it up into the crease color. So just right here. And then I'm just going to pack this color on using the side of the brush. And make sure that the edge of this color is pretty diffused. And with the same brush, I'm going to go back with the exact same color. And now I'm going to take this color more so on the inside of the eye and blend it over. So I'm just applying this color right on the lid and blending it upwards. I am leaving a tiny space here for an inner tear duct color. Continue to pack this color on until it's fully opaque, but you want to leave some room in the center. So just pack, 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 and then blend it upwards. I'm going to take a little bit of the color Watermelon with a MAC 221 brush. I'm just going to tap this very carefully right here on the very outer corner and blend it upwards. Make sure you go back with your initial brush again with no product, just to make sure everything is diffused. With the same brush, I'm going to dip into Mango Margarita. Ever so slightly apply that right on the edges towards the center. Again, I'm still going to leave a little bit of a space here, but we're still going to keep the center open. And then I'm going to dip into the color Summer Fling with a MAC 242. I'm going to apply that right in the center. Be very careful with this because we want it to still look pretty neat. Right in the center. So just use tapping motions to apply this color. Tap, 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 tap. So once you have all of that blended out, now let's move on to our inner tear duct color. I'm going to go in with the color Fireworks with a Wayne Goss 05 pencil brush. Apply this color in this little pocket that I kept and blend it over. Take your time with this step because we don't want it to really overpower the look, but just pack it on and blend up. Same color, same brush. Now bring it along the lower lash line. This color is pretty pigmented. I'm not going to take it super far. I'm going to stop it about here. Wiping off this brush, I'm going to take the same color that I have in the center, Summer Fling. I'm going to apply it to line up with the blue at the top, so on the center. Then lastly, I'm going to go back with the color Watermelon, same brush. Let's tie this color together with the top. So now I'm going to add a little bit of liner, lashes, and finish off the rest of the look, and I'll be back to show you guys everything all together. So this is a lot, I know. I just kind of got carried away when playing. You obviously don't have to do this much. You can definitely tone down the lashes. The eye look is already dramatic as is. And you can also opt out to not have such a in-your-face lip. You can do a nude for sure, but I just wanted to do something different because the ponytail inspired me. I also ordered a highlighter, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. So this is a Wayne Goss number 15 brush and halo. I'm just going to apply, haven't decided how much highlight I want yet. And I need just a wash of color, so I'm going to dip into my Natasha Denona Darya palette. Take this color here and lightly pat it on my cheeks just to tie in that color. And I'm going to spray myself using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Setting Mist. And this is the finished look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you recreate this look by tagging me on it on Instagram as well as on Facebook. I will have the links to all of my social medias down in the description box. And I will check you all in my very next video. Smooches! Bye!